Getting screened for cancer can save n number of lives. So in this video, let us know about the top 5 best screening methodologies which can detect cancer as early as possible. So let's go. The first screening methodology is mammography. Mammography can early detect the breast cancer. So who is supposed to get it done? Women above age 40 years are supposed to get this mammogram, and annually are supposed to get this mammogram. But if you have a family history, you are supposed to get every 6 months. By doing this, you can detect the breast cancer as early as possible and increase the lifespan. The next screening method would be HPV testing as well as pap smear. By getting these two tests done, you can early detect the cervical cancers as well as the precancerous lesions caused by the HPV virus. So who are supposed to get it done? Women of age group 21 to 65 years are supposed to get this done every 3 to 5 years depending upon the high risk. If you are less risk category, you are supposed to get once in 5 years. If you are prone for more risk category, once in 3 years is the ideal methodology. The third screening would be low dose CT scan. By doing this, you are detecting early detection of lung cancer. So who is supposed to get to know? The men or women with a smoking history of more than 20 cigars per day and high exposure to environmental exposure are supposed to get this low dose CT scan. So well up you supposed to get from what age? If you have a history of more than 15 years of smoking history and age above 40 years, you are supposed to get annually this low dose CT scan done. So by doing this, you are detecting the lung cancer as early as possible. So what is beneficial is if you detect lung cancer early, it is surgically operable. If you are detecting at a later stages, you are surgically inoperable and only option would be chemotherapy. So detect lung cancer early. The fourth important screening would be screening for your colon cancers. So how to do this screening? It is by either colonoscopy or FIT test. So colonoscopy is a gold standard for detecting colon cancers. You can get it done every 10 years once. But if you prefer a non-invasive method, FIT test is ideal. FIT test is nothing but fecal immunochemical testing, where it can detect even a small stagnant amount of blood in your fecus. It can detect the colon cancer as early as possible. But you need to get annually this test done for detecting colon cancer screening. The last important screening would be for detection of prostate cancer. You are supposed to get prostate specific antigen for the men aged above 50 years. But if there is a positive family history, you are supposed to start this screening above 45 years of age to detect early detection of prostate cancer. So getting known this 5 important screening tests, so you have to screen smartly and detect cancer as early as possible. Thank you.